I'm gonna do a quick stir fry. I got half a head of cabbage, a little piece of broccoli, not much, which is why then I'm gonna add other veggies, some cauliflower, red pepper, half, and then a full orange bell pepper, a nice big sweet Vidalia onion, and then this little piece of tomato here. And a small piece of tofu. Anyway, gonna make this into a nice big stir fry. I'm still trying to be mainly vegetarian, to be honest. I've had a taste here and now of... All right, we're in this new restaurant. Well, it's not new, but it's new to us. It's a seafood place. First time here. We got this combo.
I think you need to
get a bucket, gloves. I kind of like to eat with my hands. And has some gumbo, soup, there's crackers, ziti. Yeah, oh yeah, crab du jour. That's the name of the restaurant, right? We asked for the sauce on the side. Ooh, can you see that? We have some clams. I have garlic sauce here.
Those are mussels.
Mussels, sorry, mussels, not clams, mussels. I also have egg and this. Oh, is this the lobster tail? Got corn, shrimp. Ooh,
That's a big piece.
that's a big piece. So nice when you find some more ingredients you didn't know you had. So I have another thing of tofu, so I'm going to add that too. I can actually just use half of this, to be honest. Since we already have an open piece, I'll only use half. So you know what? I'm just going to put the rest in some water, put it back in the fridge. This is super firm, so it's going to be perfect as a stir fry. We gotta get our seasoning. A little paprika. So just in case you've never used tofu before, especially, well, any of them, but especially the firm one, just have your water in a plastic container. So you just take your unused portion of tofu, put it in the water. Ideally you want to cover the top of the water, but the tofu, but it's okay if it's not fully covered. It's going to stay moist. It made me laugh because so many people don't like that word, moist. Miriam hates that word, moist. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'll use it in a few days. Look at Kareem's face when I say moist. Yeah, Kareem. It's funny. Bad mommy. Kareem is like, Mommy, you are doing too much. I know, I can't help myself. I'm the grown-up that never grew up. Well, sometimes. You don't need to eat meat every day. No, you don't. And even more veggies. This is a big pot, y'all. This is a big pot. And then finally, a little bit of broccoli and a little bit of water, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna mix this and cover this and let it steam for literally 5 minutes and it's done. So you can eat like basically a whole pot of seasoned vegetables. Oh, I almost forgot my little bit of soy sauce. This is a gluten-free soy sauce. I think it's done. See all the pretty colors? We got the orange and a few little bits of red poking through and the tofu and all the spice. So we're going to eat dinner now. Kenton just came to ask me what's for dinner. I'm like, no meat. Wasn't too happy about that, but hey, his colon will be.
Got some pants in the mail. And I'll open them. Most graceful. That's the brand. Western rice.
Does it come with any paper in the packet?
The pants are Evolution Pants Charcoal. It's like a mix between jeans and like khakis, I think.
Do they look big?
No.
What size are they?
36. It says it's made in Vietnam. So.
Oh, really? Made in Vietnam? Interesting. How's it compared to your regular pants, like in terms of the feel, or feels pretty tough, right? Like it's interesting. It's like it's not heavy,
Yeah, it's not
right?
jeans.
But it's like it feels durable. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, they're supposed to be specially made and very durable. So we'll see how they fit. I'm just trying to see the detail on there. So there's clearly pockets on this side. Oh, pockets in the back, obviously. You gonna try them on?
Yeah, look like normal pants.
All right, cool. All right, so you try them on, we'll see.
I don't know, they just feel like lighter pants. Like they're not heavy.
They're not heavy?
Like they don't feel like they got a lot of weight.
All right. Are you wearing a belt with it?
No. I don't normally wear a belt when I wear pants.
Oh, you don't wear one? So you feel like they're a little bit big for you.
Yeah.
You probably could have done with a...
Size shorter or...
So how's it feel sitting down, like at comfort level?
Well, because there's no like... Or I don't feel... You know, sometimes when you wear jeans, you feel the buttons or like where the pockets are on the back. I don't feel that, so it feels comfortable.
So I don't know, they don't look like they're too big, honestly, in a way. They don't really look... 'cause
When I
you,
sit down, right?
yeah, they don't look like they're too big at all, but they could be more fitted, right? They could be like maybe slimmer.
I don't feel any weapons. You're good. So how you like it? So is it cotton?
And you're okay on camera wearing pink slippers.
Yeah, I'm fine. This is how it is, all right? So, how does it feel? Can you squat? Like, can you bend down? No, yeah. How's that? Yeah, no, bend back up. How's that feel? It stretches, right? Yeah, it doesn't feel too tight. It stretches. Yeah, so it's comfortable. So it's good for daily wear. It looks nice. So it's like active wear, not like overly active, but it's not like dress pants. But yeah, you can use it for work, you know, or casual, like slim fit, right?
No, I thought it was slim fit, but I don't think it's a slim fit because look, the legs are a little fuller.
No, not slim fit. I mean,
You
'cause
think?
yeah, it's tapered. It's not a. I can't fit into it.
You know what would be funny, Boo? Would be awesome?
What?
You fitting into it.
I don't think it's his waist.
No, it's not my waist, man. And it's not my waist. And I'll tell you that cut. Oh man.
I was like, you know, it'd be interesting to see you in it.
No.
No, but actually, I think if you got your size, it might. Now that, cause in the picture, it looks much tighter on the picture, but.
No, it looks decent.
Yeah, I think it looks nice. He thought it was a little big initially, and I thought maybe it was a little big, but I think it's okay.
No, I mean, and the thing is, it stretches and it's, you know, it's comfortable for our daily wear.
Right.
So you can, you know, like if you have a business casual office, you can wear this
Right.
versus jeans, you know.
Right.
And then with a, you know, a nice top, collared shirt.
Look at our business casual son looking all dapper with his Western Rise pants. Yeah, they are truly versatile. I did think they were a little long, so let's see. A little long, or what it is, you know what? We'll probably hem it under. Yeah, you can have it taken to the tailor. That's probably the best thing. But yeah, it's like a casual to dressy type of, oh, help me out. Feel like James Bond?
No. James Bond.
You look like James Bond, the black James Bond. You look sharp, Kareem. You look sharp. You look sharp. Oh, and you got a belt on this time. Nice. Let's see, are they like, they almost look like they're crease proof, right? Like they don't really crush too easily.
Yeah.
Or they're not showing the creases is what I'm trying to say. You could literally just wash this and wear it and not have to iron it. Thank you so much to Western Rise for sending us these Evolution pants. We really appreciate it. Kareem is going to have a lot of wear out of them. Definitely check out their website. They have a ton of things for your modern man, like slim pants, joggers, cotton tees, so much more. It's late. I don't know if it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock, 1:06. And as usual, I'm doing my hair late because it's taking, let me turn this off. It's taking longer than I thought it would. I've been doing this most of the day because, I don't know, you guys know our hair. So I washed it today and I have very thick hair. So washing my hair, drying it, twisting the front. See, I do these individuals. Here is cornrowed. So individuals in the front, cornrows here. Ooh, there's the NIH behind all those trees. Can't see it, can you? You see the gates to it. Actually, it extends all the way down here. You see all this fencing? This is all National Institute of Health. It's been a long day.
That's huge.
National Library of Medicine.
In a quarter mile, your destination.
Welcome to Bethesda, Maryland. Let's go look for our son. Somewhere here, somewhere. Well, not here, but in this town. Building after building after building. This is my chicken enchiladas. No, spinach. And then this is beef tacos. Some more enchiladas.
Tamales.
Oh, tamales. And what did you get, Kareem?
Chicken enchilada.
Chicken enchilada, okay. Good morning. About to put some makeup on, put a face on, even though it's warm here in DC. But we're excited. I'll try to vlog as much as I can. Family's all here. So I changed my earrings. Can't like these earrings better. You saw my hair, right? Did you see my hair? And we got here little miss. Say hi, miss.
Hello, your battery's dead.
My battery's dead. Yeah. Ooh, messy bathroom, y'all, excuse us. So we're about to go out. Say hello. They haven't seen you in a month.
It's been a month.
It's been a month.
When I went to college, they was gone longer.
Yes, but we're excited to see him.
Alright, I'm not a kid, you can't.
Morning. Happy 4th of July. Hope everyone's having a peaceful day start. So we're here in downtown Bethesda on our way to take the metro to Washington, D.C. and see the monuments.
So we're at the edge of the NIH campus. It's really a very short walk for Khalid, so it's really nice. Very happy for him. Very happy for him. And it's such a beautiful day today. It's so pretty.
The workers come and they get their lunch.
Alright, here's Kenton making up stories.
What? That's part of their research. Living off the land.
Yeah. He's got his Fitbit on.
Yeah, my fat bit. It's telling me how fat I am.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It says, congratulations, you are obese.
Bye.
Keep up the good work.
Hi.
Halal.
We're work in progress. That's what we are.
Yeah, 50 years.
Yeah, little lady with her little doggy. We're just talking about how areas like this encourage a healthier life because there's beautiful sidewalks everywhere. There's so many trees. It's just beautiful. We're going into the tunnel of doom. Yeah, it's a pretty steep. That is a lot, all of us.
Because it's going to be still
$60. Wow.
It's going to be more the other way. It's like we got to buy the $10.
Son. Alright, where do I put it?
That's why you can't show you tap it right here.
This side. Feel like we're in the station of Harry Potter. I'm waiting for the Harry Potter train to come get me.
Except the Harry Potter is older.
Right. Thanks again to Western Rise. We love the pants and the simplicity and the versatility. Love it. Definitely check out their site. So look out for part 2 coming soon. I didn't want the video to be too long or this vlog to be too long. I'm sorry. I would have liked to share everything and it was a lot. Khalid really pooped us out. We walked, we saw, we ate, we were pooped by the time we got back to his apartment. And we were only there for literally one day, but we packed in a lot. So see you soon. Bye!